I shouldn't have pushed you. Are you mad?
No, you're my best friend.
And you're mine. I think I've made a big mistake, Snail. Bear is my best friend.
Hi, Snail. Hi, Franklin.
Huh? Bear? I thought you'd gone home.
Well, I was on my way, but I started thinking about what I said.
I'm glad you're here.
You are?
Yeah, I'm really sorry, Bear. You'll always be my best friend.
Same here, Franklin. But what about your card?
What?
Card isn't worth our friendship.
What are you looking
Really?
for?
Even a Carl Cougar card?
Even a Carl Cougar card. And maybe I'm the one who lost the card, but it doesn't matter anyway.
So, what do you say we all go back and finish our game?
I like that idea.
Me too.
Okay, I'll race you.
You're on.
All done?
Faster, Snail.
Okay, I'm pushing. Hey, no fair.
Want to play with me, Franklin? Maybe later, Harriet. I have to finish my homework first. Well, where did you put my space book? Here. Thanks. Did you like the pictures? Uh-huh. Hey. What's
More?
this?
More? What? You want more?
So there it was the whole time. I
More?
didn't look for a bookmark. I'm sorry, Bear.
More?
All right. The important thing is that you found your favorite.
More?
You're right. I'm glad I found it because there's something I want to do. Here you go. It's yours.
More?
I can't take your favorite card.
You have to. You're my best friend, Bear, and I want you to have it.
Yes?
Wow.
Yes? More?
Thanks.
You're welcome. Carl Cougar is pretty awesome, but he's not as awesome as you are.
Thanks, Franklin.
More.
Same goes for you.
More.